All right, guys, thanks for coming back. It is burn season. That's what we do out in the country. We burn our slash, and the snow is coming in another day. Rain, everything's soaked. It's a good time to start burning. Here we go. Welcome to Hidden Valley Homestead, where my wife Olivia and I escaped the city to homestead our off-grid property in Idaho. This is our journey. We use diesel so that we don't get the flash, and it burns a little hotter once it gets going. So that one's next. This one's going pretty good. A couple hours, this will all be burned down to almost nothing. This is saving a lot of money for broken teeth or worn down teeth on my mulching head on my skid steer. Then the minerals that this is going to add when this is reduced to ash is going to be totally invaluable, because this is where we're going to be putting our garden and our orchard. So it saves a lot of time, saves a lot of money just to burn it. We were going to mulch it and ship it all up, but the sheer volume of everything that I cut down and removed, because I took all the root balls out as well, because I'm going to be rototilling. That'll plug up the rototiller if I didn't get the root balls out. So the amount of time that this saved by doing this is the way to do it. That's what you do up here in Idaho. All right, let's go douse this one with some diesel. All right, guys, thanks for watching. That's a different paradigm from living in the city to out here in the country. This is what we do: is we burn our piles and we burn our trash, and that's the quickest, cheapest, most efficient method. So you can see this one already, it looks like it's starting to go out, and I put a lot of diesel on there, but a lot of this stuff is still probably kind of green. So I don't know if I'm going to get these things to burn completely before this winter. I might have to wait till springtime in order to get those to burn. But you guys, thanks for watching, and if you guys like it, leave me a comment. And for all of you that are horrified by what's going on here, just remember that nature needs a balance. With all the Priuses and Teslas out there, somebody's got to produce CO2, and my diesel truck's not going to do it. So you guys have a good week. Thanks for watching, guys.